Welcome to Techstination. Joining us is Marc Taub, Head of Technical Operations for Diabetes Care at Abbott. Thank you for joining us, Marc.
Yes. Hello, Fred. How are you?
Under that umbrella includes research and development and other things, too. Give us a bit of an overview, first of all, about the news that you have this week that has to do with the FDA clearing Abbott's FreeStyle Libre 2 for adults and children. Tell me about it.
Absolutely. We're very proud to announce that we've taken the next step in continuous glucose monitoring, announcing the FDA clearance of the FreeStyle Libre 2 system as an integrated continuous glucose monitoring system. It has a unsurpassed 14-day accuracy. It's approved now for adults and children as young as 4 years old, and it has optional glucose alarms added to the FreeStyle Libre line of products already. That's improving the lives of more than 2 million people with diabetes right now.
For people who aren't familiar with this system, describe it for us and how it's different, the significance of it.
Absolutely. The FreeStyle Libre 2 system is a small sensor that's worn on the back of the arm for people with diabetes. It's worn for up to 14 days, and it lets them monitor their glucose levels painlessly, minute by minute. It also adds optional alarms so a user can know when their glucose has gone above or below a threshold automatically. Normally for people with diabetes, what they need to do is take a finger stick blood glucose measurement. So what they do is they take a lancet, and they get a drop of blood on their finger, they put it on a test strip, they put it in a meter, they wait a few seconds, and they see what their glucose reading is. And that's just a snapshot in time. It's painful. We know people don't test enough. Some people don't like to test outside of the home. It's not discreet. While with FreeStyle Libre 2, it's a sensor that you wear on the back of your arm, discreetly hidden under clothes, and you can know your glucose values minute by minute, painlessly, discreetly. And now with the addition of alarms, you can know when your glucose levels have crossed thresholds, low glucose or high glucose, automatically. And now the system is available for adults and children as young as 4 years of age.
And how is it that you're able to measure glucose with this unit on the back of the arm? How does it do it?
Yes, there's a small sensor that's about the size of 3 human hairs that's inserted just below the skin surface. The user does this at home simply and painlessly with an applicator that we provide with the device. It's very simple to use. You just essentially push it against the back of your arm lightly. It applies the sensor to the back of your arm, and the sensor measures glucose. It measures an electrical signal that's proportional to the amount of glucose in the blood. And because we're testing, the device is continuously measuring, we're able to tell you not just where your glucose level is at that instant, but because we are collecting information minute by minute, we're able to give you your last 8 hours of glucose history and also tell you what direction your glucose is heading and how fast it's heading there with directional arrows.
And does it work in conjunction with an app, or do you actually read the unit itself?
Yeah, the FreeStyle Libre 2 sensor is designed to work with an app. At this point, the system works with a handheld reader that we provide as well. So it's a small reader. It's about the size of a small cell phone. You take it, you scan it near the sensor. It uses NFC or RFID technology like your Apple Pay, and that provides you, again, with every scan of the sensor, your glucose reading, your last 8 hours of history, and the direction your glucose is heading.
Interesting. Well, tell us more about the technology that's not only there today, what you're doing, but what's coming in terms of diabetes care.
Absolutely. Well, we're tremendously excited to be bringing this highest level of accuracy to continuous glucose monitoring. We continue to iterate and look for features to continue to improve user convenience. Things like extending the duration of wear, and other features that would improve the lives of people with diabetes.
And when you compare the costs involved, tell us how that works out for patients, for customers.
Sure. The FreeStyle Libre 2 system is being introduced at the same price as the FreeStyle Libre 14-day system was. So we've added new features, the optional alarms, the pediatric indication, the improved accuracy, and are doing that at the same price as the FreeStyle Libre 14-day system, which is already a third of the price of other continuous glucose monitor systems. So cost and affordability were paramount in every aspect of the design of FreeStyle Libre. We designed it for high volume manufacturing. We designed it to be able to available for all people with diabetes to help manage this chronic condition and improve their lives and eliminate the painful finger stick.
And I suppose that's a really important distinction, especially for the children 4 years and up that this is now cleared for.
Absolutely. There's countless stories of parents who wake up every night to test their children in the middle of the night to make sure that their blood glucose isn't going too low. It's a system like this can provide peace of mind to parents, highest level of accuracy, alarms, so that they can get a good night's sleep and their kids can get a good night's sleep, knowing that the FreeStyle Libre 2 system is watching and making sure that their kids don't go low at night without them knowing.
Well, tell us where people can go for more information about this.
Sure. People should go to freestylelibre.us. That's FreeStylelibre.us for more information about the FreeStyle Libre 2 system as well.
Marc Taub, thank you for taking the time with us.
Thank you.
Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C. Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C. Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C. Crane.